Okay, today let's pull the head off this car. Let's see if it's just gonna need a head gasket, if it has some bent valves, or if the bottom end is good or bad. Let me go ahead and set this up on a tripod, and I'll be right back. We can get all my tools too. Okay, let's get going.
Devagarinho, prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Calma que eu boto bem devagarinho. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar.
Calma, garoto, sou muito novinha. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar.
Calma que eu boto bem devagarinho. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar.
Calma, garoto, sou muito novinha. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Calma, garoto, sou muito novinha. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar.
Calma que eu boto bem devagarinho. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar. Prometo pra tu que eu não vou machucar.
Calma, garoto, sou muito novinha. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar. Promete pra mim que não vai machucar.
On a washer. The one thing I don't like about head studs, pulling the head out when it's warped, it's not exactly easy. There you go. Whoa! The fuck happened there? Okay, so you ready for this big surprise? Tell me what's missing. Yes, that's missing. Everything else is fine, but that's missing. Wonder where to go. The wall seems to be okay. Did he melt the piston that bad? I mean, this head is no good. See? That is just weird. Well, I guess that answers the question of this thing will need a motor. Oh, by the way, just in case you guys were wondering, This is a D16A6. So here we got the head off. Like I said, it's got ARP studs on it. It's even got an SDR block guard. I don't know what happened to that piston. The walls doesn't look badly scored. I'm guessing this is aftermarket piston. If you look right there, you see how it's not a Honda marking. So I am guessing they got it so hot. If you look at it right here, see, this is all plastic, you know, melted plastic. See right here, these are all melted plastic. So this guy was driving hot for a very long time. So I am thinking, I guess this piston melted and disintegrated and fell. You know, it's now in the bottom of the oil pan. I'm probably gonna go see if I can get this block, you know, if this block will still be good, but it's probably warped so bad that it's not worth it. I don't know if I can remove this or if it was welded on. Maybe I can remove it, but if you look, even the intake manifold is ported. The head's ported. I put the head away, but I have a picture of what the head looks like on the combustion chamber. I'll insert it right about now. As you can see, number 2 piston and number 2 cylinder head chamber is badly beat. The head itself has also had port and polish job done to it. It's really a shame that somebody drove this thing hot and didn't stop. I mean, come on, people. If your car's overheating, stop. This all could have been prevented had they just stopped as soon as it was starting to overheat. Might have ruined the head gasket, but it would have never gotten this far. As you can see, this car wasn't turboed. There's no signs of it being turboed. So, but they were racing this car. This car was someone's race car, because that there's signs underneath where they got some air ducting. Like this, you think it looks stock, but it's actually got a cobweb. It's actually modified, and it's got a ram air that's basically goes through right there. Like I said, this thing has a CRX bumper. So what's my next step? Well, I gotta pull the motor out, probably tear it down, at least get an estimate to see how much it would be to rebuild it, or at least, you know, bore, hone, oversized pistons. If not, pick and pull. I could probably go to pick and pull and get another D16, you know, single overhead VTEC. Fix it. So we're not getting rid of this car. This car's not done yet, but it's just, this is a big setback. We knew the engine was blown, by the way. We knew it. I mean, the guy said it had a blown head. I mean, he said it got a blown head gasket, so I was thinking, just fix the head gasket. But I also didn't realize it had VTEC heads on it. So, I mean, I don't think I would have changed the head gasket on a regular 90 SI motor. I mean, they're a dime a dozen now. So yeah, till next time. The next thing I'll probably do is pull this radiator off. We're gonna remove this radiator and put it on my son's EF. That'll be coming up in the next couple days. All right, so till next time. Bye.